Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to like any comment or any video on the Rednote application on your account. So the answer is easy. Just enter the application first, and as you see here, you are on the explore page, as you see. So for example, if you are watching this one, you can just click here, and in the comments you can go to the comments, and also you can like any comments you want. In another video I will show you how to comment. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.